agree. And this is a bull flag. Let me draw this out for everybody. Watch this. Here's your vertical line. I'm going to draw this in a different color. There you go. This is a perfect bull flag. Check it out. There you go. Everybody see it? Long as we stay in there, long as it stays above VWAP, you're golden. SI. Look at what it did. It broke the 200 and it stopped on VWAP. Everybody watch that. Hot stock pick SI did exactly what I was afraid of right here. See it? This is just not enough range. Can you guys see it? I want to see this thing break VWAP and then have the nice push. Otherwise, this is resistance and this is resistance. These are too tight together. There's just not enough risk to reward. So your reward is up here. Your risk is down here. So instead, let's get it when it breaks here. Now your reward is up here and your risk is back down to here. Does that make sense? And there it is again. SI literally touched this 3-0. So it hit 310 and pulled right back. Do you see it? I want to break and hold above this 304, which is 3050. I want to break and hold before I touch that. No exceptions to that rule. Everybody sees this on SI. I don't want nobody getting chopped up, right? Oh, yeah. Look at SPY down here. It's sitting on support now. This has to bounce right here. Otherwise, you're going to have lights out. Apple's the exact same way.
Would that be a bear flag, Coach?
That is correct. That's big time to the downside. Yep, SPY's collapsing. Get ready for a big pull again, everybody. SPY can't hold this level, this 496.20-ish. It's lights out. All right, SPY, are you going to bounce at 496.20 or are you going to go lights out? Be careful on Walmart as well. Walmart's starting to come down to that bottom level, but SPY right here, super heavy. Okay? On the break of 496.20, I'm going to hammer it myself. Just something really small. There it goes.
There you go.
Bye. Bye-bye, lights out. Bye-bye, lights out. Bye-bye. No.
You called it.
Yep, I told you it looked heavy as hell, didn't I?